Look, I was going to go easy on you, not to hurt your feelings, but I'm only going to get this one chance. Something's wrong, I can feel it. It's just a feeling I've got. Like something's about to happen, but I don't know what. If that means what I think it means, we're in trouble. Big trouble. And if he is bananas, as you say, I'm not taking any chances. You're just what the start for.
I'm beginning to feel like a rap god. All my people from the front to the back none. Now who thinks our arms are enough to slapbox? They said I rap like a robot, so call me rapper. For me, rap like a computer must be in my jeans. I got a laptop in my back pocket, my pen will go off on a half cock. Get a fat enough for that rap rock. Been a living and killing off it. Ever since Bill Cook was stone office with Monica Lewinsky feeling honest. I'm an MC, still as honest, but as rude and D sales all hell. Syllables, skillaholic, kill them all with.
This flippity dippity hippity hip hop, you don't really wanna get into it. It's a match with his rabbity yak back in the mac in the back of the yak back by rap yak yackity yak. The exact same time as him, lyrical like a bass sounds while I'm practicing that I should be able to break a motherfucking table over the back, look up for faggots, a cracking in hell. Realized it was ironic, I was signing after the fact. How could I not blow? All I do is drop past bombs, scream a rat of attack rappers, having our rap time period. He's a maxi bad, it's actually disasters bad. For the whack, calling my shit, constructing this masterpiece. Yeah.
I'm beginning to feel like a rap god. All my people from the front to the back nod. Now who thinks their arms are long enough to slap box? Let me show you maintaining this shit ain't that hard. Everybody want the key and the secret to rap immortality like I have got. Would it be true for the blueprints? Some evasion, you feel exuberance. Everybody loves your root for a nuisance. Hit the earth like an asteroid, see nothing but you for the musics. MCs get taken to school with its music cause they use it as a vehicle to bust a rhyme. Now lead a new school for the students. Me, I'm a product of Rakim, like him should pass Tupac-in. W-A-Q, hey Doc, ran get easy, thank you, they gussin'. Inspired enough to intake, grow up, blow up, and be in a position to meet one MC and induct him into the motherfucking rockin'.
Roll Hall of Fame, even though I walk in the church and burst in a ball of flames. Only Hall of Fame I'll be inducted in is the Alcohol of Fame on the wall of shame. You facts think it's all a game, till I walk a flock of flames off a blanket. Tell me what in the fuck are you thinking? Little gay looking boy, so gay I can barely say it with a straight face looking boy. You're witnessing a massacre like you're watching a church gathering take place looking boy. Oi, vey, that boy's gay, that's all they say looking boy. You get a thumbs up, pat on the back, and a way to go for your label every day looking boy. Hey looking boy, what do you say looking boy? I get a hell yeah from Dre looking boy. I'ma work for everything I have, never ask nobody for shit, get out my face looking boy. Basically boy, you're never gonna be capable of keeping up with the same pace looking boy.
Because I'm beginning to feel like a rap god. All my people from the front to the back now. The way I'm racing around the track, call me NASCAR. Dale Earnhardt at the trailer park, the white trash god. Kneel before General Zod, this planet's Krypton, no Asgard. So you be foreign, I'll be Odin. Rodent, I'm omnipotent. Let off, then I'm reloading immediately with the rhymes I'm toting. And I should not be woken on the Walking Dead, but I'm just a talking head, a zombie floating. But I got your mom deep throating. I'm out my rhyme, a noodle. We have nothing in common, poodle. I'm a Doberman. Pinch yourself in the arm and pay homage, pupil. It's me. My honesty's brutal, but it's honestly futile if I don't utilize what I
do though for good at least once in a while. So I wanna make sure somewhere in this you can scratch for the scribble and doodle enough rhymes to maybe try to help get some people through tough times. But I gotta keep a few punchlines just in case, cause even you unsigned rappers are hungry, looking at me like it's lunchtime. Oh, there was a time where once I was the king of the underground, but I still rap like I'm on my Pharaoh munch grind. So I crunch rhymes, but sometimes when you combine, appear with the skin color of mine. You get too big and they come trying to sense you like that one line. I said, I'm back for the Mathers LP woman. I tried to say I'll take 7 kids from Columbine, put them all in a line at an AK-47 revolver in 99. See if I get away with it now that it ain't as big as I was, but I'm more than a true and immortal coming through the portal. You're stuck in a time warp from 2004, though I don't know what the fuck. You rhyme boy, you pointless as Rapunzel with fucking cornrows. You write normal, fuck being normal. And I just brought a new ray gun from the future just to come and shoot ya, like when Fabulous made Ray J mad. His fantasy looked like a faggot made with his pad. Sing it to a man while he played piano. Man, oh man, that was a 24/7 special on the cable channel. So Ray J went straight to the radio station the very next day. Hey Fab, I'm kill you. Lyrics coming at you with supersonic speed.
I'm a doing, I'm a you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm to a human, innovative, animated rubber, so that anything you say is ricocheting off of me, and then I glue it to you, devastating more than ever, demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a feeling like it's levitating, never fading. And I know the haters are forever waiting for the day that they can say I fell if they be celebrating, cause I know the way to get them motivated. I make elevator music, you make elevator music. Oh, he's too mainstream, that's what they do when they get jealous, they confuse it. It's not hip-hop, it's pop, cause I found a hella way to fuse it. With rock, shock rap, with top. Don't want to lose yourself, I make them lose it. I don't know how to make songs like that, I don't know what words to use. Let me know when it occurs to you you while I'm ripping any one of these verses. The verses you, it's curtains, I'm inadvertently hurting you. How many verses I gotta murder to prove that if you were half as nice with songs you could sacrifice virgins to? School flunky, pill junkie, look at the accolades, your skills brung me. Full of myself, but still hungry. I bully myself cause I make me do what I put my mind to. And I'm a million leagues above you. Ill when I speak in tongues, but it's still tongue-in-cheek. Fuck you, I'm drunk, so Satan take the fucking wheel. I'm asleep in the front seat, bumping Heavy D and the boys. Still chunky but funky, but in my head there's something I can feel tugging and struggling. Angels fight with devils, and here's what they want from me. They're asking me to eliminate some of the women hate, but if you take into consideration the bitter hatred I have, then you may be a little patient and more sympathetic to the situation and understand the discrimination. But fuck it, life's handing you lemons, make lemonade then. But if I can't batter the women, how in the fuck am I supposed to bake them a cake then? Don't mistake it, if it's a fatal mistake, if you think I need to be overseas and take a vacation to trip abroad and make her fall on her face, and don't be a retard, be a king? Think not, why be a king when you could be a god?